what I want to do is talk about vibe coding, and vibe coding is something that Andrej Karpathy, the co-founder of OpenAI, uh, posted on his X, the Twitter, in February 2025. And he posted, and I'm going to read that because it's like a quote. It's not really coding, like vibe coding. It's not really coding. I just see things, say things, run things, and copy paste things, and it mostly works. So I believe that what he's saying is like almost an advertisement of OpenAI and how it can help you to create more things without having to like learn the rules of the language. Like you don't have to learn to know how it is to sort a vector in Python. You can just like write sort a vector in Python. Or you don't need to know how to create a button in JavaScript. I don't know. You just have to say like create a button in JavaScript. You can use natural language to code. So this is vibe coding. Okay. And why I decided to create a video talking about vibe coding, that it's something that it looks so good that we shouldn't be complaining. Well, because I'm a coder, like I'm a programmer. And I know that coding is not always like vibe. Not like always chill. I'm chilling here. And I feel that people believe that tech, to create something with tech, is just like click on a button and everything works. Like since 2009, I believe that people would always feel like our job was just magic, and it's not. And I know that because I'm doing that. And for instance, yesterday I worked from 8 a.m. to almost midnight, and everything was like not working because even though the code is working, maybe the output's not working correctly because the logic of the code um is not fine. Uh, and I'm using a lot of AI tools to code, but it's not vibe. I'm not vibing. End of the live. Uh, and I feel like this is very important to have AI tools now because in 2009, 2010, 2015, we used it a lot of Stack Overflow to look for answers like, oh, I don't know how to sort a vector. And we Google sort a vector. The first uh, page was Stack Overflow, and then we had the answer there. But now I can say create a data frame, an example data frame of cars and prices, and it creates a data frame for me. So it helps us with our own project, and we don't have to go to a forum and to ask a question and wait for people to answer our question about our job. We just go to like ChatGPT. We ask for the question related to our problem there, and the answer is there. But we still have to be uh, very critical on the output because uh, I've been vibe coding since 2022, since ChatGPT is out, and I know that many times the outputted code is not correct, and I every day I have some problems with the output of the the LLM models. I feel like this is getting better and better. Like I've been trying Claude 3.7, and I feel like this is a great tool for code. I know that in the looking for it in the benchmarks, this is one of the best. But I feel like we're giving the like saying to people that it's like coding's magic, coding's magic, coding's magic, and it's not. And what I feel like, and this is something that I want to uh give as a message, is that as a professor, I feel like we should teach our kids to think better, not to like use ChatGPT and that will think for you. That tool will think for you. Like no, you can use the tool, but you have to translate your problem really in a way that the tool can help you. Like you have to help the tool to help you. Okay? So we have to be able to teach the kids to break their problems into smaller problems, and then with those smaller problems they can ask questions to the model. Because I have been seeing and I saw some comments on Reddit about bad coding that it matches my thinking. Um, is that uh like there are so many stupid people who think that you can say like create a website and it's going to make a good website for you. Maybe it's going to make a website for you, but you have to understand that the website's going to be terrible. It's going to be ugly. It's not going to work properly because you have to have like the front end, the back end, and everything that a website has. You have to go and you have to buy a domain. You have to have a server and everything. It's not just like create a website for me, um, and it gives the output and it's done. It's not like this. And even if it was like that, the output, the code, maybe is not correct. And I'm saying that because many times it has problems. I've been working with some new ideas now, just like side project, with things that I'm not used to, like WhatsApp Business API, and this is something new. But when I have to code in Python, I look at the code and I feel and I see that okay, this is not working properly, and I know the roots of the problem, and I know how to ask questions to ChatGPT on how to fix this problem. And I feel like if I didn't have any like if I didn't have any background on programming, that would be really hard. So I'm not chilling, I'm not vibing, I'm just coding. That's it. Bye bye.